Are you looking for the best dust collector? Here we will break down the top 6 dust collectors on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. ShopFox W1826. If you're on a budget and looking for a well-balanced dust collector, ShopFox W1826 will meet all the basic dust collection needs for home projects. This model is the cheapest on our list, and its reasonable pricing puts it within the reach of many people. It comes with a 1 horsepower motor, which is enough to handle basic dust collection tasks for small woodworking projects at homes. This power combines well with the small 537 CFM airflow, which ensures fast collection of fine dust. It comes with standard 2.5 micron filter grade, which is standard for most dust collection needs. Also, at 50 pounds, its weight is far lower than that of other heavy models, such as the ShopFox W1826. This one will prove more portable than most of the other dust collectors. Although ShopFox W1826 was designed for budget users, it makes some compromises on power and speed. Its 1 HP motor and 537 CFM airflow is not enough to handle industrial and high-volume dust collection. At number 2. Oneida Air Systems. The Dust Deputy by Oneida Air Systems is the most affordable dust collector on our reviews, but it is still an efficient and highly reliable system that will help keep your workshop dust-free. It separates up to 99% of materials before it reaches your vacuum, and this, in turn, ensures that your filters remain cleaner for longer, so that you do not have to keep replacing them. Also, it will work with both wet and dry vacuum to make it even more convenient. This dust collector comes in a unique design with an anti-static resin cyclone and tapered ports that will connect to most shop vacuums. And its compact size makes it the best dust collector for small shops, and also ideal for use in different work sites. Waste disposal will also be very easy when using this dust collector, as you only need to empty the bucket without ever having to open your vacuum. At number 3. Dust-Right Dust Separator. This dust collector can be used with most power tools and shop vacuums to capture sawdust, wood chips, and other debris that can collect in your space. It will collect dust particles and larger pieces of debris before they enter your vacuum filter, ensuring it will not get damaged while cleaning your workshop. It has a 5-caster wheeled base that makes it easy to move around the workshop, and the hose can connect to both inside and outside ports on the vacuum. This will prevent unintentional disconnections and damage, which can block the hose and prevent it from working. It has a great capacity of 10 gallons, and the tank is easy to empty at the end of the day. This dust collector has been designed to filter out dust, debris and wood particles that are heavier than the air, and separating them, so they will not interfere with the filter of your vacuum. This is a great option of dust collectors, as it will gather the dust in your workshop in one sweep, making it easy to remove, and keeping you safe. At number 4. One Dust Collector. You can keep your garage clean with this 12-gallon dust collector. It houses a 5.7 amp motor that can allow it to absorb 660 cubic feet of air under a minute. The impeller size on this one is 6 inches, and the dust inlet ports are 4 inches wide. It also has a 1/3 inches caster lock that prevents unexpected operation. As Wen is known for their reliability, they are providing 2 years of warranty on Wen 3401 dust collector. It is a very lightweight dust collector as it weighs only 18.6 pounds. Therefore, this can be the best option for you if you are looking for a transportable dust collector. You can also mount this machine on a wall with the help of a built-in wall mounting option. This way, you can keep your workspace free. At number 5. Powertec Dust Collector. You must have heard about Powertec as they are quite popular for their affordable products. They make various high-rated products, including this dust collector. It has many positive features that make it one of the best options from the market. Unlike many other dust collectors, you have the option to collect dust from the wall instead of the floor with DC5370. It is powered by a 7-amp motor that runs at a minimum of 120-volt input. It can provide 537 CFM airflow capacity that is good enough for home applications. It comes with a 2.5 micron standard dust bag, having a transparent visual indicator. Because of this, you can easily keep a track of filter quality and clean whenever required. It is a very compact dust collector that weighs only 44.2 pounds, that makes it easier for transportation as well as installation. You will get a 1-year warranty period on Powertec DC5370. At number 6. ShopFox W1685. It weighs in at 108 pounds, and has dimensions of 22.2 x 37 x 22.5 inches. Its Amazon reviews show it has been purchased 150 plus times, and can be bought in just a few clicks from the website. Plenty of people have reviewed its performance, of which a summary of the positives and drawbacks can be found below. Here's why we like it.